Hi YouTube, I'm Dylan and welcome to one of my drawing tutorial videos. And today we are going to be drawing Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. So get your pencils, get your favorite piece of paper, let's begin. Tigger's body is starting out as kind of something of a hot dog shape. And except this upper side's a little bigger and the bottom side's a little bit narrower. Then we got to put the center line to know where the middle of it, his body will be. Then we're going to draw, for his head, we're going to draw kind of almost an upside, maybe a light bulb shape that's not upside down. And remember to draw loose and light at first, because we are not going to use all these lines later on. We're going to get rid of some of them later. And then you're going to put these two skinny ovals for his arms. And then put these little, not exactly circles for his hands. These are just the guides. Then for the bottom of his body, you're going to draw this oval. And then you're going to put these bigger ovals for his feet. And then you're going to just do this indication for his tail. So we have our building blocks of our character. Now we got to draw his eyes. His eyes are just going to be two simple dots. These smaller than about the size of a pea. And then put these small little white circles inside those eyes for the highlights. And then for his nose, we draw this curve up here. And now we also got to draw his eyebrows, which go like this. Here's the one side of he's got this, his eyes are surrounded by like what's sort of flesh. So you're gonna draw this kind of triangular shape. So that's kind of one of the stripes he has. So we'll just shade that in. And then we're going to draw his nose itself, which will be this sort of soft triangle or oval that goes like this. Then you're going to draw this one part of it. Then we got to draw his muzzle, which will be this sort of curved kind of V shape. This is going to be his mouth. And you got to draw the line down in the middle right there. And then for the rest of his mouth, we're going to draw this U shape that goes like this. And if you want, you can fill that in real lightly, not all the way black, it's grayish. And then here's the bottom part of his muzzle. And then draw just darken that in. Then this point right here, you're going to create kind of a point here. And then the rest of his head's going to like curve back like this. Here's the top part of his head. Then you're going to draw a stripe. And then we gotta draw these stripes, which are kind of pointed. We gotta give him these kind of stitches because he's a stuffed animal. And then right here, we gotta draw some whiskers. Like that. Here's his other one. And then we gotta get the back of his neck, like this. And here's one of the stripes. And then we gotta give him his ears. This one will be a half circle because it's on the other side. And this one will be not exactly a perfect circle. Then here's the outer edge, and then get the inside line as well. Now we have to draw, we don't have to draw the whole, we have to draw the arms. So make sure the backside of his arms have these points. Okay, and then we have to get, let's beef up the back side of his body a bit and bring up this curve that goes up like that. And now we need to get the outer edge of his body. This is like his tummy. And then we're gonna draw these stripes that go around it. Fill them in. They kind of go in a bit of a pattern. You might want to pause the video when I'm done with this particular part. Okay, so we got one of them. Here's the bottom part of his body. We need to draw his feet, which will be these ovals, which are going to go like this. Then you're going to draw this kind of moon shape for the outer edge of his foot. And then right at the bottom, you're going to draw this curve. Here's the leg. Here is his foot. We also got to put one more stripe right by his foot there. Then now for his other foot, you draw this curve and this sort of oval, but you don't close it up. Then you draw an oval for the bottom of his foot right here. Now we gotta give him some stripes as well. Just put these triangles and put some on the bottom as well. Get it and color those stripes in. And make sure you try to use the side of your pencil so you don't get carpal tunnel in your fingers. All right, now we need to draw his tail. So you're just gonna do these two curves that go like this. Put a fold shape right there. Put another curve shape right there. Here's the bottom of the piece. And we gotta give him the stripes as well, so we'll draw. This one stripe's gonna be going around the tail the whole way. So you can color that in. Here's one of the stripes that's going around a point. Like I said with the body, you might have to pause the video when I'm done with the part. So take your time. Then here's these last two stripes right there. Now it's time to get his arms and hands. So right here we'll draw, he's gonna have a thumb, and just like Winnie, he doesn't really have any fingers or toes. So we'll do the same thing right here. Like that. And then we'll put the stripes on him. There'll be like four on both sides. So draw those. And there's going to be 3 at the bottom of this one. Shade those in. And shade in this side as well. And there you go. That's Tigger. I hope you had fun with this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time.